Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Lower Dishrack Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Lower Dishrack Assembly. The Lower Dishrack Assembly is where you put your larger items in the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and getting rusty and you're getting stains on your dishes. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the lower dish rack out and we're going to lift the silverware basket out and set it aside. Now that we have the silverware basket out of the way, we have to take the handle off. The new dish rack doesn't come with one. There's two locking tabs on the back. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pry them up enough so we can release the handle. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dish rack. Now that we have everything taken off the lower dish rack, we can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old lower dish rack assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new lower dish rack assembly in, all you have to do is set it on the door. Then we have to snap the handle back on. To put the handle on, all you have to do is line it up with the middle of the rack and slide it on so it snaps on. Once you have it in place, we can put the silverware basket back in. To put it in, all you have to do is set it in place so it hooks on the rack. And then we can push the lower dish rack back in. Close the door. Plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.